morning, everyone. My name is Stefanus. I am retelling the story of the lion, the fish, and the waterfall. The four famous Semliks enter the frozen world of Narnia. Target I portable, a lad ruling by the happy fate mates. After Yvonne Beatrix died, Dom dies sick L from Asia, the Green Lion. Asia willing scraping is the left on the stone table to save Endung, but Asia then raises again due to a dagger deeper magis. Asia leads the army kills the West in battle and Narnia. I read the story consorts with the four twin pets become the Juice King and Hugh of Narnia. Thank you. Terima kasih.